Hi, and a very warm welcome to this video by the Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog. We really hope that you all are safe and are continuing your innovation journeys through Tinker from Home. So, let's begin. Today, we are going to learn about what artificial intelligence actually is. The Atal Innovation Mission has launched the Let's Learn Artificial Intelligence module for all you young budding tinkerers across the country. This module is completely open sourced and has been developed in a workbook style. This module has been created by industry experts, academia, and in partnership with NASSCOM. Each chapter has its key learning outcomes. You can find the module in the ATL curriculum section on the Atal Innovation Mission website. Are you guys excited? So now let's start with Unit 1. In Unit 1, we will understand about human and artificial intelligence. The key learning outcomes for you will be the understanding of artificial intelligence and the usage of selected artificial intelligence applications. Are you guys ready for a quick activity? Can you tell us that when are we humans called intelligent? Tick on the boxes that you think can be the answers. Have you selected all of them? All of them are examples of natural human intelligence. Do you know that human intelligence is defined in many ways? But there are majorly three important aspects: ability to observe, recognize, and understand, ability to make smart decisions, and ability to increase your knowledge. Let us take a closer look. We all gather information, store information, retrieve information, analyze information. We then take important decisions and actions around it. Once we take that action, we again gather information about the action, analyze it, and take a more refined decision. Let's move to the next section. In this section, we will dig deeper into our understanding of artificial intelligence. So please read the three questions and write your responses down. What is artificial intelligence? List some of the things humans can do. And then out of the things you have written, identify what all things a computer can do. Now let's explore the world of AI. For more information, you can click on this link and it will redirect you to a very interesting video. So what is the actual need of AI? We can say that we need AI to do tasks that we want to avoid, to do things faster, to do things more accurately, to achieve consistency. Can you think of anything else? So you can write your responses here. Now, let's move to the applications of AI. AI is used in gaming, different systems, in speech, vision, intelligent robots, and many more. To explore these experiments, you can click on the following two links. The first link will redirect you to Google Experiments on AI. The second link will redirect you to AI demos from Microsoft. The third link will redirect you to NVIDIA's AI Playground. And the last but not the least are the 10 crazy experiments that you can try. You all must be thinking, what is the future of AI? Click on the link below, which will redirect you to a very informative TED Talk by Andre LeBlanc. I think it's time to let your imaginations run wild. You think of any device, object, or facility which can become intelligent. It can be a refrigerator, it can be a swimming pool. Actually, it can really be anything. Identify one and write down what you think it will be able to do. Now, we are at the conclusion of Unit 1. What we have learned in this unit is we learnt about human intelligence, We learned the basics of artificial intelligence, the major applications of artificial intelligence, the future of artificial intelligence, and how artificial intelligence can make our lives better. We would really like all of you to share your notes with your peers, mentors, teachers, and parents to further refine your thought processes and ideas about artificial intelligence. You can go back and watch the videos or read the articles in this unit. We would really like to see all your doubts. Feel free to use the comment section for that. Use your intelligence and please like, share, and subscribe to the Atal Innovation Mission's YouTube channel to dive deeper into the world of artificial intelligence. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, tinker from home, and happy tinkering!